Students, how to simplify this question I am showing here. X power 199 plus 1 by x power 199 equal to 13. So we have to find this value. So let I am taking x power 199 equal to some a value I am taking. So a plus 1 by a equal to 13. So squaring on both sides, a plus 1 by a whole square equal to 13 square. So this one by expanding using a plus b whole square, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2ab means 2 into a into 1 by a, okay, equal to 169. Okay, so what is a square plus 1 by a square means 169 minus 2, which is 167. So we got a square plus 1 by a square value. We have to find this. So a minus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So we will be getting a square plus 1 by a square, so which is minus 2 is 167. So 167 minus 2 will get 165. So a minus 1 by a equal to plus or minus square root of 165 is the answer. So a is x power 199 minus 199 value is plus or minus square root of 169. So thank you for watching. If you like my explanation means please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.